I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to Koh Lant Island, Thailand. Today, we'll be exploring the enchanting beaches of this beautiful island, and I'm excited to take you on this 4 Kelvin walking tour. Get ready to soak in the sun, enjoy the breathtaking scenery, and marvel at the crystal clear waters that Koh Lanta has to offer. Before we start, please click the like button if you're excited about this tour, and remember to leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe my Patreon. Link below.
It's a great spot to enjoy some peace and quiet while admiring the stunning views. As we continue our tour, we'll head over to Klong Ninh Beach, a beautiful beach that's perfect for swimming and sunbathing. It's a popular spot for families, and you'll find plenty of water sports activities here. Next, we'll visit the beautiful Korat Island, which is located just off the coast of Koh Lanta. It's a beautiful island with crystal clear waters and stunning coral reefs, making it an excellent spot for snorkeling and diving. Finally, we'll end our tour at the beautiful Free Beach, also known as Long Beach. This beach is famous for its stunning sunsets, and it's the perfect spot to relax and unwind while watching the sun go down. That brings us to the end of our tour of Koh Lanta's enchanting beaches. I hope you enjoyed this 4 Kelvin walking tour, and don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.